Hello guys, welcome to my another video. In this video I am going to explain about the strategy implementations and the process and procedures of the strategic implementation. Now gets into the topic. Sorry. Strategy implementation is the process of formulating strategy into the formulated strategy into or taking strategy into actions. It is the link up between the performance and the evaluations, as well as it requires cultural structures, resources, and any other things. Now let's talk about the process and procedures of strategy implementations. First one is of operationalizations strategy, and the second one is managing the conflict, and the third one is restructuring and re-engineering, and fourth one is uh, performance and pay to strategies, and third one is managing resistance to change, and managing resistance to change, and set or feed the strategy in the organization culture, and last one is evaluations and control. Now let's talk about the operationalizations strategies. Operationalization strategy includes the annual objectives and financial planning, as well as establish the different program procedures and policies, and procedures, and it also includes the guidelines and policies, as well as last one is it's about the communications. And now I'm going to define about what linking performance and pay to strategy. Linking performance and pay to strategy means the strategy should be made on that basis to provide the employee incentives or benefits or bonuses, so that the employees get motivated, and they or they can employee get fitted into the strategy also. And now let's take about resistant to change. Resistant to change means when the new strategy is implemented into the organizations, it should be fitted into the new environment. So managing resistant to change is also the most important steps in this. And another one is creating a strategy with cultural means the strategy should be created on the cultural basis, so that there will not be mm, problems on achieving the goals of the objectives. This much. Thank you.